If you just bought your iPad and downloaded your Procreate app, I'm going to show you 3 easy tips to start with. Hello, I'm Liz. I'm an illustrator and pattern designer based in Lisbon, Portugal. So let's dive into it. Create any canvas that Procreate offers you by clicking the plus sign here. And you can see that you have a bunch of canvas settings. I already have mine, but if you would like to create a new one, you will just click this sign and create the size that you want. But today we are not going to do this. We're just going to click on the screen size. So that way it will create a canvas of the size of the iPad. So on the right side, you have the tools to draw. And on the left side, you will see the setting tools. First of all, brushes. In order to start drawing, you will click your brush icon here. And Procreate will show you a library of brushes. Let me introduce you to 3 brushes to draw, just to get started. Under sketching, you have the 6B pencil, which imitates the effect of a pencil. Under inking, you have dry ink, which is pretty similar, but you can get thicker strokes. And under calligraphy, you have script, which is a brush without texture. You see? This brush comes in handy when you want to add color. I will show you in a second. I'm showing you these 3 brushes at the beginning so you can draw a simple drawing. Now, close to this brush tool, you have the eraser tool. You can erase by clicking this icon. Or by tapping with 2 fingers. There are other ways to erase, but I'm just showing you the basics to avoid overwhelming you. Color wheel. Once you draw your lines, you might want to color it. By clicking the color wheel here, you open a big palette of colors. You can move this button to select the color you want on the outer circle, and in the inner circle, you can select the value you want. So if you want more desaturated, more saturated, on top you have a brighter color and a darker color. So say that I want a red, and I'm going to choose a light red, and I'm going to choose my brush, which is under calligraphy, script. Tip for you, if you want to draw a shape, let's say we are going to draw an apple, you can color it by hand, or you can just drag the color that you have here, like this. Just make sure that your edges are perfectly close, otherwise if you have your shape like this, a little bit open here, it will color all your canvas. So make sure that your brush is a very clean brush and that you can fill your shape perfectly. So say now that I want to draw a stem and I want to draw a leaf. So the way that I could fit this leaf will be the same way. And these are the first steps into Procreate. Make sure you watch the other videos that are part of a series of Procreate for beginners to keep learning. Also, I created a PDF of this lesson for you in the description box, so make sure you get yours to go back and practice. See you in the next video and happy learning!